So what we're going to look at is how do we change the formatting of a cell automatically based on a certain condition. Now, first of all, what does formatting mean? Well, if I write something like hello, I can make that bold by pressing Control B. I can make it underline by pressing Control U. I can make it italic by pressing Control I. I can also do all of these things by going up here. I can make it strike through. Well, it looks like Alt Shift 5. Didn't know that one. Alt Shift 5. Oh, did I do that wrong? I think that's what it says. Strike through Alt Shift and 5. Yeah, let's just try that again. Oh, I did Control Shift. Okay, Alt Shift 5, and I strike through. So I can also change the color of it. So I can make it red, or I could fill it in, and so on. This is all formatting. How do you change the color? To change the color of the text, you click on the A in the capital A in your toolbar. And to change the color of the background, there's a little sort of icon of a paint tub that's just up there. So one thing we've just discovered here is that a little bit of introduction to hex. So basically, I won't really properly introduce it, but if I go to not conditional formatting, that's not what I want. I want to go to just another color. So we've got these 6 digits here, and these represent the color that we're picking from, and it's written in a computer language called hex or hexadecimal. It's a counting system where it's base 16, so a decimal counting system is base 10. Goes from 0 to 9, so 10 digits. Binary, I've got 2 digits, 0 and 1. And then hexadecimal has got 16 digits, and it goes from 0 to F. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then A, B, C, D, E, F. So we can actually understand this because at the moment, if I go all the way over here, what this is saying is that, so basically we've got 6 digits. The first 2 digits is the amount of red, and obviously red is the highest amount of red is going to be all red, so maximum red, FF, and then 0 of everything else, because color on computers is made out of RGB, red, green, blue LEDs. If I make white, that's going to have all the colors on maximum. So we combine all the colors, we get white. And if we go to black, all the colors down to maximum, so they're going to be 0. Now you can actually type this. So if I went, so RGB, so 0, 0 at the first one, G, FF, and then 0, 0, we get green because it's maximum green. And of course, if I did 0, 0, FF, I get blue because that's maximum blue. So this is actually a really cool way I've just discovered on how to show you how to combine maximum amount of light and teach hexadecimal at the same time. So we know. So if we know how colors combine, can we make a prediction about what color would be yellow? Well, yellow is the color of the sun, and the reason it's not actually the color of the sun, but it's the color of the sun as we see it, because the blue from the white light has been scattered across the sky. And so if we imagine that yellow is just white light with a blue subtracted, then that means it's a combination of red and green. I'm oversimplifying, but we can think about it that way, and it certainly works in this case. So if it's a combination of red and green, that would be the first 2 colors of RGB. And so that means, and well, I'm giving you an answer now, but it's going to be FF, FF, 0, 0, and we've got our yellow. So what about cyan? So what would cyan be in the hexadecimal? So cyan would be 0 red, and then RG, so maximum green and maximum blue, and we have cyan. And then we have magenta. So you can obviously turn some of these things down and turn some of them up. So we could have, so RGB, we could have a little bit of green, let's say 1, or we could have a little bit more green, let's say 9, and so on. It doesn't look like there's more green, but basically, um, remember green is the remaining color that's not in it. If I turn those ones down to like 2, now we've got a little bit more combination there. So that is how to use Excel, or certainly on Google Sheets anyway, and hexadecimal to teach colors and combining of colors.